Sadza. You see? Take this Sadza. You put it like this. It's called Mutangas, right? That's Mutangas, I want. As I arrived here, I discovered that, yeah, there are a lot of people that actually come here to order food. A lot, and really a lot. When we talk about quality food, right here at Mutangadura. That's Mutangadura. What they do, they actually do braaied and a lot of stuff that they actually do. So I'm going to show you what they do and what they offer. Wow, it's a nice place to hang out. If you're actually new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So really need to hang out around this place so that you can actually have a good meal. Yeah. You're going to enjoy it. Yes, guys. So yeah, let's go. Wow. So these are the shops that you see. So I want to show you where you can actually get the food. Wow, yeah. So, hello, hi. Please, may I have gango? Oh, that's fine. Alright, thanks. Sharp. Yeah, so guys, right now Chaku order gango, so I want to show you gango. These are a lot of pots that are there and you can actually choose a lot of meat. The one to panet suro. And yeah, there's a lot of meals that you can actually get. Like suro, and panet suro, what else is there? Zondo, yeah, zondo. I like zondos and stuff. Check. Wow. Check. I had check. Yes, oh, yeah. Big ones. Yes. But I don't know what you can take. I wish that you would just take. Yeah. So alright guys, so right now I'm now ordering. So yeah, let's continue. So we're gonna share mundi pakurira and stuff. Saka pakuro banaba here. So guys, as I arrived here, I discovered that yeah, there are a lot of people that actually come here to order food. A lot and really lot. So yeah, you're going to see a lot of people. It's the place. So yeah, Kangura eater now. Wow, yeah, that good. Guys, look, I'm now receiving my gango. This is my gango. Yes. This is my gango. Wow. Thank you so much.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right, thanks. Sharp. guys. So yeah, I'm now about to enjoy my food. This is my food. So actually, yeah, I will give you the honest review about the taste and the service that I actually received here. Yeah. So let's go. This is so enjoyable. You will definitely like this. Let me tell you one thing. It's a mixture of vegetables, beef, sausages, and a whole lot of things in Sadza, yeah? Actually, Sadza is the staple food in Zimbabwe right here. We are here in Mutangadura. It's called Mutangadura, along Mutare Road, just after Ruwa. So that's Mutangadura, where you can actually find all these things. The meals that I was showing you, you can actually get them right here. Just to chill with family, go find a meal. It's a leisure day. You can actually come here and then you enjoy. You actually enjoy. Wow, guys, this is so enjoyable. So let me enjoy my meal, right? You see? Take this out. You put it like this, right? Then here, you take it like this. So now eating this salsa. Guys, this is not. I'm going to get you on the shit. Wow, guys, look at this. When we talk about quality food, that is here. So you know the msusu. So msusu is a Shona word that we use here in Zimbabwe. It's actually a part of a cow, right? So what we're talking about. Let's call it quality food, quality meat. So how's it tasting that? How's it? I really enjoy it. Guys, this place that is sitting behind me. Wow. This place. Oh. Boys, but I enjoy it. Now I'm just done eating, so it's time to go home. I actually enjoyed this place. See you in the next one. So if you're actually new here, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So next time, bye.